The summary of the poem If, or rather I should say, the stanza-wise summary of the poem If. The poet Rudyard Kipling, in the first stanza, advises his son on how to work during times of crisis. He says that whenever there are difficult times and things stop to work in our favor, then we must not lose our patience and should control the situation in a calm and cool manner. Even if there are blame games around us, we should not put it on others. During times of crisis, the son, the poet says, must have enough confidence to believe in himself. So, children, if you believe in yourselves, that is the best thing. However, trusting himself doesn't mean that the person should have overconfidence. The poet says that we must have confidence but not blind faith in ourselves, as it would stop us from taking suggestions from others. Now, in the second stanza, the poet Rudyard Kipling says that success and failure are a part and parcel of life, and there's nothing permanent about them. The poet calls success and failure two impostors because both success and failure makes a person feel either too happy or too sad. He recommends his readers to treat both success and failure in the same manner and not let them control us, as they are only temporary in nature. The poet tells his son that on his path of success, he might have to face failures which might wipe away all that he had achieved. He says that one should never give up. One should be ready to start afresh, even if he had faced a lot of failure. Now, in the third stanza, the poet says that one should never give up. Continuing, life is unpredictable and filled with ups and downs. He says that one should not shy away from challenges just because they are scared and they might lose what they already have. So one must take challenges in life. He says that the ideal man is the one who can put all of his life's achievements at risk while aiming towards catching something bigger. According to him, one should not cry over spilt milk and start afresh even after being snubbed and broken. The poet says that willpower is the only key to success. My dear children, Rudyard Kipling, the poet, in the fourth stanza, he says, the ideal way to lead one's life is to take up challenges. He says, a great man is someone who fits into all sections of society. The poet tells his son to move around with common people. The perfect man will not follow the rat race blindly and will stand out in spite of being a part of the crowd. One should not have arrogance that generally comes with success. A perfect human being is the one who is dependable. One must be careful to not make people so dependent upon oneself if they lose their own potential to work on their own. He says that one must know how to make the best use of time, because time and tide wait for none. Time never forgives the ones who waste it. The poet finally says that if one follows all these points in mind, then this world will be his playground and he will be able to conquer everyone.